Hey beautiful bride, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a DIY makeup kit for a destination wedding. If that sounds like you, make sure you watch to the very end to get all the tips and tricks for your wedding day. But before we get started, I want to say hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. I am a bridal stylist expert. I've been in the industry for 6 years now and absolutely love what I do. I hope that you find this channel helpful, and if you do and want to hear more tips and tricks for weddings, make sure you hit the notification bell for more videos just like this, and they will be released every single Wednesday for our Wedding Wednesday. So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So like I said, today's video is gonna be all about makeup, what you need to pack and what you need to prepare for. The first one is going to be a primer. I have listed my favorite primers here and absolutely love every single one of these primers. They are great for adding moisture and hydration to the skin, but also prepping the skin. So when you do put on your makeup and the rest of your makeup, your skin is even, it has moisture to it, and also something for your makeup to adhere to other than yours. Number 2 is foundation, and of course you want to opt in for something that is super lightweight, moisturizing, and also long lasting. Making sure that this is a key element in your foundation will ensure long lasting and beautiful photos for your wedding day. Concealer is a wonderful thing to have to be able to cover up those last minute pesky little acne spots that have come through, or the fact that no bride ever sleeps the night before her wedding, so you can cover up those bags with that concealer as well, and making sure none of that is runny and that everything stays in place. So I've also listed my favorite concealers for you to be able to go look at and see which one is the best fit for you and your budget for your wedding. Number 4 is setting powder or setting spray. This is something you're going to want to determine for yourself depending on your skin type. If you feel a little bit more dry, definitely stay away from powders. They can dry you out even more. Or if you're oily, a powder may be able to be something that helps you with your oils. Don't go too much because it can mix those oils and separate a little bit on the skin. So when you are using a powder, setting powder, make sure you just use a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. And if you're using a setting spray, make sure that that is something that also has a either matte finish or a dewy finish. This is going to be like hairspray for your face to keep everything in place and set for the wedding day. Number 5 on the list to pack and prepare with is a makeup palette. So this is going to be for your eyeshadow colors, and making sure you pick a palette that has a few different options in there. That way, if on the wedding day you're wanting to spice things up with a little bit of maybe glitter or a little bit darker of a color that you didn't practice or plan for beforehand, this is something that you want to make sure you have, so you have it readily available for when you're getting ready on your morning. Number 6 is eyeliner. Eyeliner is super important to make sure it is waterproof. Of course, on a wedding day, we're obviously going to be sweating a little bit if we're outdoors, or we also may cry a little bit, and that's okay too. Just make sure that you bring a waterproof eyeliner for this reason. Goes right into number 7, which is waterproof mascara. Mascara is super important to be able to have those moments where if we're tearing up or crying, that our makeup isn't running into our eyes and possibly burning them. So it's definitely important to have 24-hour wear and waterproof mascara. Even if it takes a little bit longer to get off at night, you're not going to regret having it for the wedding day. Number 8 is blush. Blush is something that is going to give you a pop of color, and also remember, blush is the first thing to fade in makeup and also the first thing that's really muted in photos. So it may feel a little overdone in person, but trust me, when you take a selfie on your phone, you're going to be able to reference that and see if it's too much or if you need a little bit more. Number 9, if you are going for a dewy or glowy look, is highlighter. This is going to be perfect for above your cheekbones or on your nose. Even if you are wearing an open dress or something that shows your collarbones, you can add a little bit of highlighter and shimmer on those collarbones, which looks so pretty in photos and gives you that nice glowing bridal look. Number 10 is your lipstick or your lip gloss. making sure if your lips are super dry or if you're in a drier climate and you like a lipstick, making sure you still have a gloss or a moisturizer afterwards. Lips are something that are super important to be able to moisturize throughout the day, so your makeup can go on super nice and easy and you're not worried about dry lips throughout the day. Also, they have some lip masks that are available that are super great to put on the night before or even in the morning after you've brushed your teeth, gotten ready for the day, and want to put a little bit of moisture to your lips. These are great. Once again, I'll put them in the description below so you can check those out and see if they're a great option or a fit for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. And if there's anything that I'm forgetting or things you have questions on, definitely put them in the comments below. I would love to help answer any questions you have for me. And also make sure you hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and happy wedding planning.